In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo or picture with a form header in Microsoft Forms. This is a great way to personalize your form and make it visually appealing to your audience. Let's dive right in. First, you need to go to Microsoft Forms. If you haven't already, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the specific form you wish to edit. This should be a form you've already created and want to personalize with your unique touch. With the form open, it's time to locate the form header section. This area is typically where your audience's eyes will land first, so adding a picture here can really make an impact. Once you've found the header section, look for the Insert Image option. This is represented by a small picture icon. Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities for the images you can add. At this point, you have a few different options for sourcing your images. You can search for pictures using Bing, access files stored in your OneDrive, or even upload an image directly from your computer or device. For this demonstration, let's explore how to do an image search using Bing. Select Image Search and then enter the name or keyword of the image you're looking for. Once you've typed it in, click Search. A variety of image options should appear for you to choose from. Carefully select the image that best fits the style and message of your form. When you find the perfect image, simply click Add to insert it into your form header. This method is quick and ensures you're using images that are readily available online. Alternatively, you can access images you've stored in your OneDrive account. To do this, select OneDrive from the options available after clicking Insert Image. Browse through your files to find the picture you want. Once located, go ahead and choose Add to place it in your form header. If you have a picture saved on your personal device that you'd like to use, choose the Upload option. This allows you to search through your device's storage. A Choose File to Upload dialog box will appear on your screen. Use this to navigate through your device, find the image you want to use, and then select Open to upload it into your form. And there you have it. Your form now has a personalized header with a logo or picture, enhancing its overall appearance and appeal. This simple customization can make your forms not only look more professional, but also more engaging. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.